Okay, my name is Gladys Njura, and I'm very, very excited. I'm excited because being an entrepreneur for the last 19 years, I've had an amazing time with this opportunity I'm going to share with you. An opportunity where, as I was saying earlier, we want to work with our young brothers and sisters. We want to work with our children so that we never have a situation where the world is saying the young generation is doomed, where we are singing the song like everybody out there saying there are no opportunities, because truly there are opportunities. The world has become a global village, and from where we are right now, even in the comforts of our homes or wherever we are, we can do so much. If only we open our minds, we open our hearts, and we are ready to learn. I remember being told some years back, when a student is ready, the teacher appears. So that's my hope. By training, I'm a teacher. I graduated from Kenyatta University in 1996. Then I went on to work in the banking industry. I worked in the bank for 5 years. And on my 5th year, I was exposed to this great opportunity. I was young, by the way. I was about 31 when I met this opportunity. I was a very young mother then. I remember my firstborn was 9 years, now she's 28. And my secondborn was 3 years, and now she's 3. And it's amazing because 19 years down the line, I will be sharing the same platform with my daughter. Having heard many years ago that this is a business you can do with your children, you can bequeath to your children. And I used to think that's very far-fetched. But lo and behold, here we are, sharing the same platform with my last born. And it's an amazing, amazing opportunity. So if you're on the call, welcome. And more so, a big shout out to the people who are here and they are young, because we believe in you, because we know, I've given you some flowers there, because we know young people have a lot more than we have. They have a lot of capacity. They have a lot of time. They are very knowledgeable. They are very techno-savvy. And there's no reason at any one time a child should stay at home and say, I do not have an opportunity. That would not be fair, because even the government cannot handle stuff for us. We are normally told, don't ask what the government will do for you. Ask what you will do for your nation. And that's why we are here very excited as members of Neolife, which is a global movement right now with millions and millions of people all over the world. And with this season we are in of COVID, we are able to have people on the call who are from different nations. And we are able to interact with people in different continents. And so I'll be privileged to just tell you a little bit about what we do, because at the end of the day, what we are doing is an amazing opportunity that has been done over the years by many people. I know one of my mentors who has been in the opportunity for the last, he's been in the opportunity for the last 74 years, 47 years, and he mentored us. And so we are seeing people actually leaving the business to the 3rd generation now, which is very, very exciting. So if you're here on the call and you're a young person, you're in the right place. If you're here as a parent, you're in the right place. If you're here as a big brother or a big sister, you're in the right place, because finally you have something that you can share with the younger generation. Because in the offices where we are never able to bequeath our children our jobs. So I'll start by sharing my screen and sharing for you this great opportunity that we have, that was founded by a very young man. You know, that is even the most amazing thing. And this young man started the opportunity when he was only 19 years old. So what does that tell us? That tells us that anybody can be able to do this opportunity. If a 19-year-old can start something and it goes all over the world and goes to over 50 world markets and creates hundreds and thousands of millionaires. I think we can be able to also empower many people. I need somebody confirming to me if you can hear me, please.
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
All right. So here we are with a global and international organization called Neolife that embraces everybody all over the world. As long as you're above 18 years, you're good to go. All we need of you is patience, an open mind, a teachable spirit, creativity. We want people who are creative and people who can actually come and even set records that we have not seen. So Neolife has a mission. You know, many companies have missions, and our mission is to make the world a healthier and a happier place. I want to tell you for sure, no matter who you are, if you want to leave a legacy, you need to create it when you are in a healthy state. And you want to be healthy into your 80s, into your 90s, even when you are still impacting the world. And so that mission is just right for everyone. I don't know who wouldn't like to be part of this. Yeah. The other thing is that when we talk about, I'll be talking a little bit about health, not much, and believing that after this session, you'll be able to come and be part of us and learn more, and also be able to impact other people on the same. For me, I can tell you I've benefited a lot on the health knowledge I've gotten from Neolife for the last 19 years, and even the products that they have helped me a great deal. So welcome to that. I'll be talking about that. The other one is to build generational wealth. It is very, very important to know that we can actually build wealth that can go to our children and our children's children. There's nothing as good as knowing that. And what amazes me is that many companies in America have hit 100 years, 150 years, some even 200 years. And so what we are saying is, we are lucky to be part of an organization that is already 63 years and already making strides to make sure that the next 50 plus years are taken care of. So you don't have to worry about that. You start very small. Please do not despise humble beginnings. I started in a very small way in this opportunity, and I've seen myself growing, and I'm not even where I want to be, and yet I'm still very excited about it. The other thing is lifestyle. I mean, who doesn't want to travel the world? Kenyans really love lifestyle. And you know what, guys, as we speak right now, there's a group of people from West Africa and East Africa having a treat in Dubai because of this opportunity. And the most amazing thing is next year, there will be another trip. Question is, would you want to be part of the trips moving forward of Neolife? It doesn't matter what it takes or how long it takes. The fact is, if in your heart, you feel you'd like to be part of this, even at least for traveling, you find that this is something that can really work out for you. The other thing is personal development. You know, out there many times when we are in our jobs or we are in our small businesses, we do not have a chance to go through personal development. We don't have mentors to take us through time management, goal setting, and someone to train you, someone to back you up, and someone to walk the journey with you the next 10 years. Even most mentors, they'll just mentor you for a few years or a few days, and they leave you to in the maze to get the rest figured out by yourself. But in our opportunity, personal growth is one of the biggest arms, and we don't leave you. We tell you we'll hold your hand. And so that's a very amazing thing. Then the most amazing thing is this is something you can do with your family. How nice. I do it with the people who are close to me, and it's very, very exciting. Unlike businesses or other jobs where your child even cannot come to visit. There are some places where even your children don't even know where their daddies and their mummies work. But with the opportunity, even when we have the meetings, you can be able to tag your children along and they start picking that entrepreneur spirit early enough, what about your retirement? It may look far-fetched, especially if you're a young person, but I urge you, don't make the mistakes we made. You need to start working for your retirement fund as early as 18 years old. And I'll repeat that again. You need to work for your retirement fund as early as 18 years old. Moving forward, have the habit of saving, and it becomes part of you. And when you look back, you will be more than happy that you sorted your future early enough. And then, of course, we know there are no jobs, there's no job security anymore. With the COVID, the world has actually realized you can wake up one day and job is gone. Not out of your own doing, not because you're lazy, no, because circumstances sometimes, let me say, things happen. And so what we are telling you is, even if you're working somewhere, work diligently where you're working, but don't miss your 1-2 hours to do your own thing. You need to have your own thing that you can build with your own hands, and so that you grow. And should a day come when you don't feel like working for anyone else, or when the boss feels they cannot sustain you, then you don't have to go crying, feeling crushed. You can be able to handle that and stand tall and still continue. You know, the most amazing thing for me, I started this opportunity when I was in the bank. And within 1 year and 2 months, I quit my job in the bank. And I have been doing this full time for the last 18 years. Cumulatively, it's 19 plus. But now 18 years, I've not had to work for anyone. So I'm here to give you confidence that yes, it's not always that you have to depend on a job. You can depend on yourself. And that means when you believe in God, He can give you that. So where does the story begin? The story begins with this young man here. Okay, he's not young anymore, but he is very God-fearing. I like that about him. He started at the age of 19 years old, and he's very diligent, very simple the way he does things. And he founded the opportunity 63 years ago. And even as we speak right now, he's already identified a successor to his business. He's the youngest daughter. And he's mentored her since she was 19 years old. And so he mentored her for 9 years. For her hacking the business so that she can understand the nitty-gritties of business. And right now, as we speak, she is the CEO. She became the CEO at the age of 28 years, and she's been doing it for the last 4 years, and the girl is doing an amazing, amazing job. The dad told us the other day she actually became a pilot. And last month, she actually ferried the dad, her first trip to carry the dad. You can imagine how busy she is, and she can even be able to do her piloting. So we are telling young people there's so much that you can do. And then I'll be talking a little bit about the science behind our products. You know, in business, it's either you're trading a product or a service. Even if you're in politics, you're giving people that service of yourself so that they can pay you an income. So don't be ever cheated by somebody that you can do a business where there is no product. And so in our business, we do have products, and the products mostly are in the wider range of health and wellness. And we have a scientific advisory board with a seal of quality, as you can see there. If you want to know more about the scientists, please go to our Neolife University, go to the Google, get Neolife University, and you will get the full credentials of these great men who are selflessly doing so much, and they've created many, many world firsts. The other thing is that we are all over the world. As I said, we are a global village. You can do this business while in Kenya. I believe Kenya is somewhere here. And while you're here, you can have business in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in Togo, in South Africa. You can have business in Australia. I do have business in Australia. You can have business in Europe. You can have business in the US and in Canada. The world has become global. You better prepare yourself for what is out there for us. Now, we have values that are great, and I hope when you come and you decide to be part of us, you can abide to this. The first one is absolute integrity. You must maintain integrity. You can't afford to be an ordinary Kenyan. Kenyans don't have integrity, many of them. But when you come here, you need to maintain your integrity. The other thing is people are number one. You must love people. I mean, people are a great resource. And don't look at somebody where they are. They may be down right now, but what matters is what their future holds for them. So we are telling you out there, go out there, love on people, expose the opportunity to them. You never know what it can mean to their lives. The products work. I'll be talking about that. Equal opportunity for all. It doesn't matter you are male, female. Doesn't matter what race you are. It doesn't matter your religion. Here we don't come and put all those parameters. We want to love each other, and also we want long-range vision. Don't be this kind of people who like quick fixes. They have their own challenges, and anything worthwhile takes time to build. You can take that to the bank, you know. The other thing is, I'll talk a little bit about health and nothing much, because the person who has invited you is more than equipped to keep teaching you more about health. And if you want to keep learning about our health, the system in terms of health, always log in on our Sunday evening at 5. Every Sunday at 5, we have a great session and many other sessions that you can learn. We also have literature. We have the website. When you become part of us, you're given a back office, you're given a TNL app, and you can learn a lot. You can use YouTube. And what we are seeing is we have great supplements. Why are supplements important? It's because the world has changed. We are eating foods that are refined. You know, we are no longer eating whole grains. We are not eating enough fruits and vegetables, as it were. We are eating a lot of animal protein that could hurt, that actually essentially hurts our body, and a lot of sugars and refined starch. And on top of that, our farming methods are totally compromised. The soils are depleted of the nutrients. The harvesting is compromised. The transportation is compromised. Even the bare movement from the farm to the table, that handling itself compromises the quality of the nutrients. So Neolife, from a long time ago, after research was done in America for 12 years, they realized that people need to supplement their diet. And so we have our base product called ProVitality, and ProVitality will give you energy. It will protect you from heart disease. It will give you good skin and nails. It will give you good hair. It will give you immunity. It will take care of your joints. It has very many benefits. I suggest that the person who invited you ask for a small clip. You can even go to YouTube. There'll be a small clip for 3 minutes, and you can understand why it is we need to supplement. In the US, people eat very badly and they do a lot of supplementation. And so is Asia. A lot of supplementation is happening in Asia. But when we come to Africa, as much as we have good food, something is not right because of the farming, because of our eating habits, and yet we are not supplementing, as it were. And so we have a lot of challenges and a lot of diseases, and we need to prevent them. We are told prevention is better than cure. And when I show you these supplements, we have many, many types for joint care, skin care, heart health, sugar issues. All those you can be able to learn a lot. And they are not food substitutes. They supplement the gaps that are created, and eventually they cause disease. We also have the skin, the health of the skin. There's cosmetic industry out there. A lot of it is hurting many people with a lot of chemicals. We do not have cosmetics. Ours is basically for cleaning, cleansing, and replenishing the nutrients that are meant for the skin and protecting you from the harmful effects of weather. We have the health of the environment. We are saying we need to use detergents that are earth-friendly, they are biodegradable, they are safe for your children in the house, they are cheap in the long run because it should take you a long time. You need to learn how to use them. And eventually we don't harm the environment. We are really hurting the environment with chemicals. And there's a whole list of those products, not just the 4 you can see there. There are many. And so you don't have to worry about that. The other thing is farming, the health of farming. We are saying people need to go back to organic farming. Supergro is a super foliar, it's a surfactant, and it will help the farmer farm and produce an extra, get about 167% more in terms of crop production. And that way, even the soils are not acidic, it will really help the farmer a lot. There's a lot to learn about that. Let me not go into the details. Now, how does the business part of it work? Simply, we are saying this is how it works. We don't need you as an employee. There are no overheads. The startup is very low. We don't need any special education here. We don't mind if you work somewhere else. You just come and fit this into your lifestyle. So as you move around, you're working, you're walking, you are in a bus, you're traveling at home, you are in a party, you can actually network with people and give them a glimpse of what we have and eventually explain what we have. And they end up becoming either customers or they become business builders like you. I chose to become both a customer and a business builder. So this is a business you can tag along with you. You carry it with you. It's like a briefcase business. And we tell you, you come and get a starter kit. Why do you need a starter kit? This information is very important for you. Remember, we have very few shops all over the world. We want the business to be done digitally. So you're going to be given your catalog, which becomes your supermarket. Can you imagine carrying your business everywhere you go in form of a book? And then you're trained on how you can explain the products to people. They can read for themselves. You can send them on the e-copies. And then you also start with 1 or 2 products. It could either be the home care or the health care. And the starting point is maybe $100 or less. It can be more. If you want to start with more, if you can afford that, why not? So the first thing we tell you is learn to use the products. You become your best customer. We want you healthy. We want you having a better environment, and we want you to have a testimony. The other thing is we want you to share the products. Who do you share with? With your mother, with your sister, with your cousins, with your neighbors. As you move along, when you hear somebody saying my back is hurting, you tell them, I'm sorry. But do you know there's something that you can take to actually elevate that? Why don't you try it? And they tell you, let me try. And when they try and they like it, they'll tell somebody else, hey, my friend gave me this and it was an amazing, talk to them. And then you start earning small amounts. You remember me telling you we start very slow? You start with a small amount of money, you're given a bonus of about 500 to 5,000 Kenya shillings. If you're from another country, that can translate to $5, $50 a month. And then you get your profits that the company does not follow up. When you come and get a product that a client needs and you take to them, the company will not follow up on the profits. That's up to you to follow up on and work as best as you can to increase on that. And you don't want to remain there. 5,500 is very little money. It takes effort to understand it, but it is worth it. So what do you do next? You incorporate now using and sharing, and now you actually mentor other people like you. Can you imagine the way you are in your house? You can become a mentor to somebody else. You mentor your friend, you mentor your sister, you mentor your mother, even your former teacher. That's how amazing the system is. When these people come into the opportunity, they're not coming to work for you. They are directly connected to Neolife, just like you. And Neolife will be able to give them their kits and be able to do their bonuses and everything. But the company will only want you to do one thing: teach them what you know. Expose them to as much information as possible. And when you do that, you're paid a little bit of commission from what they do, which should have been the money given for advertising. But now the company does not advertise. They use us to be the advertisers. So your bonus moves from 5,000 to almost 40,000. That's good money. Can you imagine you're a young person, you are in your early 20s, and you're earning 40,000. You can use 20, you can save 20. And saving 20,000 a month, in the near future, you'll be able to buy a property and even do a small investment on it. And that's an amazing thing. So that's basically what we are saying. And from there, you move on and empower other people. Can you imagine now you become a real leader and you're exposed to personal development? The company will take you for leadership school. They want you to learn how to mentor other people, how to be a good leader. And eventually you get to what we call the director size business. And when you are in director size business, you're earning 50,000 plus. Can go to 100, it can go to 150, 180. I have seen directors who are earning even 180,000 Kenya money. That's an amazing thing. And you can increase your savings. And the more you increase your savings, the more you are able to secure your future in a better way and have other investments that can bring you more income. Now, you don't stop there. I remember I told you go up to the director level. From there, you can go to what we call the world team. The world team, we have the sapphires and the rubies, and those are the people who travel once a year. Every year, guaranteed, there's travel. Even though we missed 2020, that trip for going to Prague, Czech Republic, it has been pushed to 2022. And right now, as we speak, there are people in Dubai. They are really having a ball. They are very excited. South Africa already had their lifestyle in South Africa. They could not travel because of restrictions. And all over the world, those events are happening. And then you get to what you call the president's team member. Guess what? You may be here. I may be speaking to you and you're a guest. And you may come to this opportunity and even become a president's team before me. And that will be exciting. We will cheer you on. Anybody can come and achieve any of these things. Nobody will put a ceiling on you. Everything depends with your effort. In closing, for the young generation, we have been given what we call, you'll be given your own website, personalized website, where you can sign in people all over the world and get a lot of information in your back office as well. So, and then of course, we have other social media platforms that you can use. I personally am enjoying Facebook. I was never a fan of Facebook because I don't like putting my life out there in the world, but I'm using Facebook to do business. I'm using Messenger to do business. I'm using Instagram. I'm really enjoying Instagram. I didn't know I could actually enjoy Instagram. I've discovered it the last 2 weeks. I'm very excited about it. And there are so many other platforms you can use. Even YouTube is a great place to be where you learn. We have the Neolife University. You can learn a lot there. And you get certificates when you do those courses. Save those certificates. And then there's travel. I know everyone on this call would love to travel. And that's a stone cold fact. I would, and I'm working towards it. I've traveled a little bit. I want to travel more. And there's nothing as exciting as traveling the world. It's a new level of achievement, I can tell you. There's work to be done. And then once you work, you go. We are told all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So we don't want to be dull. We want to be vibrant and very excited. So there have been all those trips. Prague was coming for 2020. It didn't happen. So people went to Dubai instead. The company had to do something about it. And now 2022, we will do Czech Republic is beckoning for you. I think I'm coming to the end of my presentation. And before I do the final close, as I told you about the building generational wealth and working with your family and mentoring the young people, I want to invite somebody very special to me. And she's here to encourage the young people. She will give you a rundown of how she started, how she's growing in her own special way. And then she'll be able to explain. So help me welcome this great girl, Rahab Nyokabi, my daughter. I joined when she was 3 years old. Now she's a grown-up lady doing stuff for herself. She wants to go for a holiday. She saves the money, she does that. So just give me 1 minute so that I can do exactly that and we can see her. Welcome, Rahab.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. As you've heard, my name is Rahab Nyokabi Munene, and I'd like to thank my mom. She's done quite an amazing presentation, and these are one of the first what she's done is one of the first things I attended while I was new to New Life. So my mom is a persistent woman, very persistent, I can tell you for sure. And I thank God for her persistence, because if it wasn't for her persisting and pushing me to be a part of New Life, I wouldn't be in this business. So for me, as you've heard, I've known this opportunity since I was 3 years old. But even as I grew up seeing my mom do this business, I was very skeptical. I'm quite a skeptical child. And it's been, let's say in 2016, that's probably 14 years, yes. I saw my mom do the business, and yet I was very skeptical about the products. I was very skeptical about the opportunity. I used to tell my mom, this is just for you, for the chosen few, and I'm not among the chosen few. So I remember immediately after high school, I completed high school in 2016. We were the first lot of Matiangi, and we stayed in school till December. So we went for a 1 month break. And in January, my mom was like, you need to start making your own money. So I remember telling her, Mom, I need a break. I'm just from school. I need to relax. So I gave so many excuses during the entire year. And my mom was very persistent. She insisted a lot. She used to invite me for meetings. I remember very well, we used to have physical meetings before COVID in the offices at Kenyatta Avenue. And my mom invited me for many meetings. I said, let me just say how many they were. Because I was a broke kid, my mom will tell me, if you want to go to town and have fun with your friends, you have to make sure you pass through here and attend the meetings. So I remember very well, we used to meet with my friends twice a week during the days they had meetings. That was on a Monday and a Thursday. So I would meet my friends on Mondays, and in the evening, my mom told me, make sure you're in the office. So I'll be there, attend the meetings. So I did that for probably 6 months. So you can do the calculations yourself. I attended a lot of meetings, but I still said no. I didn't want to do the business. It just wasn't for me. I was very stubborn, and I remember during 2017, I did a lot of things. I actually made a lot of mistakes. But what hit me the most is during 2017, I actually got depressed, very depressed. And I remember the last 3 months, I would not get out of the house. I reached a point now, I didn't need to go to town, so I just stayed in the house, didn't want to do anything, and I locked myself inside every single day. And the question that used to disturb me was, what is it what is it that I'm doing that is adding value to this world? Literally, am I adding value or am I sucking the life out of the world? So in my head, I just kept asking, what should I do? What must I do to make a difference? What is it that I have to do? Because if anything happened to me right now, I wouldn't have changed many people's lives. And I wanted to touch people's lives. Just didn't want to live life without helping people. So that thing really disturbed me. And I remember when I had hit rock bottom in December, I had not prayed for so long, but I made a short prayer to God, and I just told God, please give me something that can help me be useful in this world. Even if it's something small, I just want to be useful to and do something that will help people. And I remember it's in 2017 December, the second week, we attended a meeting. And I tell you, for the first time, I heard it with my ears, I saw it with my eyes, and I felt it in my heart. For the very first time, I actually paid attention. And the speaker, I'll never forget, asked one question: what is your dream? I didn't have a dream. I know many of you have dreams. I didn't have a dream. In high school, people used to ask me, what do you want to do in life? I would say, I want to be rich. I want to be a millionaire. That's my dream. They'll ask me how. I don't know, but I want to be a millionaire. So I didn't know. I didn't have a how, and I didn't know what I wanted to do. And I remember it's that question that woke me up. And I decided, you know what? I'm taking up this opportunity because I'd rather be doing something than be idle. So I took up the opportunity in pursuit of personal development. But along the way, I have gotten money. I'm telling you, I never knew the importance of money until I joined campus. And the moment I joined campus, I knew money is valuable actually, because you're given the amount of money someone wants to give you. If you're a borrower, when you're borrowing money, you cannot just demand. You know, there's borrowing, lending, and borrowing just being given without returning. And through it all, I actually didn't have money, honestly speaking. But the moment I started doing Your Life, I did make some money, and it was exciting for me because I could finally dictate what I want to do with my money. And it's been quite a passionate thing because I'm an adventurous person. And as you've heard from my mother, for me, I like having adventure. I like moving around, just seeing new places, going to places. And Your Life has given me the funds for that. I've been able to buy myself things, small things, even phone. I started buying myself a phone in 2018, as I recall very well. My mother has never bought for me a phone ever again. 2018, that was when I began starting to buying my own things, and it's because of Your Life. Your Life has really built me. I'm a good speaker, as you can see. I was a very shy person, very, very shy. If you call me in front of people to speak, I would not say a thing. I would go back to sit down. But Your Life has given me the personal development. And I say that because, did you know public speaking is one of the most paid people in this world? Public speakers are paid way more than even our own. Like, let's look at an expensive profession, an architect. That is why an MP will go there and speak in front of people. And the moment he starts getting his salary, it's a lot. Because public speaking is big. And because of Your Life, I have gotten the opportunity to become a good public speaker. And I thank God for that, because out there, people are always looking for people to participate, people to empower other people, people to speak on behalf of people. And that is what Your Life offers you. Personal development is way more important than anything, if you ask me, in my opinion. If you want to put a value on personal development, you can't. No one will teach you how to be a good speaker in school. Not in high school, not even in campus, unless you decide to take that course. I have learned how to manage my own money. I've learned the importance of saving. I've learned the importance of planning my future, 10 years to come, 5 years to come, and it's all because of Your Life. And another thing is my health, which is a big thing for me. When I got out of high school, I was a little chubby. I was quite chubby. We come from a family where we add weights really fast. So I got out of high school, I was quite chubby, and I didn't know how to lose the weight because it was really putting my self-esteem very low. I actually remember, and I always remind my mom, the day I got out of high school, that same week my mom had told us to go for a wedding. None of my clothes were fitting me. None of not my trousers, not my tops. I had to wear a dress that was stretchy, and I felt my self-esteem had gone so low. I wasn't liking anything. I just did not like how I looked. I did not like how I felt. And that is what got me into wanting to lose weight. But I went losing weight the wrong way. I was crazy about losing weight. I would even starve myself. But the moment when I decided I want to know more about Your Life, my mom helped me. She gave me a healthy regime, which is what I've been sticking with right now. So that's what I do. I lost weight. I've been able to maintain my weight ever since then. I've not gone back. I'm still as small as I am right now. And I thank God for that. So I don't have much to say, but all I can tell you is Neolife is an old company. It is way older than my mom. So they have way more wisdom and way more knowledge than my own mother has. And why I trust this company is because I have seen it empower so many people out there. So many people are learned, so many people are smart. They come out of high school with A's, and they still cannot afford to go to campus because they don't have the basic need that everybody needs, money. You can't buy food without money. So I've seen so many people come into Neolife, do the business seriously, and they've been able to pay their own school fees. People have been empowered. I have empowered people. And there's nothing great like taking someone, pulling them up with you. There's nothing powerful like that. You cannot put a price tag on that because you help one person, you've helped many people, because that one person will go and pull other people up. And that is what I was looking for when I came to Neolife, to empower people. And that is what I got. And I love it because when I'm able to help someone, whether it's in getting money or whether it's in getting good health, I know the moment I help that one person out there, they will go and help 20 people that I myself could not reach. And we are here to change a generation. You need to empower your children. You need to empower your sister. You need to empower your brother. If you do not empower them right now, when will they learn? The world is harsh. The world is tougher than home. It is cruel and gruesome, and people need to be prepared for it. So when you're teaching people to be prepared, they need to know a job isn't everything. How many graduates do you know who have graduated and are still looking for jobs? Some of them haven't even been employed in the career they took. They had to go for other routes to get money. Architects, some are doing other things. I know people who are engineers and are working as waiters in the hotel industry. So many people have good degrees, but they haven't yet built up to their potential. And I always tell young people, you have a purpose in your life, and no one can fulfill the purpose you have in your life. I cannot come and do what God has set in you to do. Only you can. So you need to get up, get out of your comfort zone, and decide you're going to make a difference. If you stay there in your comfort zone, trust me, that is a killer zone. A comfort zone equals a killer zone. That is what I associate it with. Because you're so comfortable, any attack can come and attack you and you won't even realize it. And when you're attacked, that's when people start getting depressed. People start getting stressed out. It's because you decided not to get out of your comfort zone. And I tell people, don't be scared. I was a very scared kid, but I learned one thing. If you live a life where you're so scared of doing things, you'll never be happy. You'll never fulfill better things than you wanted to do. You'll just be saying, I wish I had. I wish I was given a platform. I wish someone would give me money. You cannot live a life of I wish. It's a matter of I will. No matter how tough it is, I will. So I have nothing much to say. Just to tell you young people, don't stay in your comfort zone. Get out of your comfort zone. And if Neolife will get you out of your comfort zone, get out and be a member of Neolife. Use it as a stepping stone to get you to where you want to be, because you're meant for something greater than what we are doing, most of us. Most of us haven't known our purpose or fulfilled our inner potential. I didn't know I was a great speaker, very shy, but I am good. And I thank God I was pushed into it. Because if I did not even force myself a little bit, I'd still be shy, sitting at the background, believing I'm not a good speaker. Till when? And this speaking you're hearing me do, it's giving me many opportunities. Trust me, it is opening doors for me. The speaking you hear me do, it is giving me opportunities. So those little things, please focus on yourself. I want you to sleep tonight and just say, you know what? I'm going to ask myself questions. Where am I now? Where do I want to be? What must I do to get to where I want to be? What must I do to achieve my dreams? And is what I'm doing right now, what is it that is what I'm doing right now, will it get me to where I want to be in the next 5 to 10 years? So thank you so much. I've said so much, but thank you so much for having me. And yeah, muwe na usiku njema. Be blessed.
Okay, thank you very much, Rehab. That was awesome. And what you've said is true. And many people here, most of her mentors are here and they can bear witness. So in closing, what are we saying? When we sent out the flyer, we said that we need to actually mentor the next generation. In closing, it would be very sad for any of us having young people struggling. They can't make 1,000, they can't make 2,000, they can't make 10,000. And yet maybe even their dreams are worth 100,000 per month. And yet they don't even have an opportunity to make that 1, 2, 3, 4,000. So Neolife is a good training ground for our children. Let's not hide them. Let's not shield them. There's nothing as bad as shielding a child and letting them just be there doing nothing. It's time to, as parents, we take them and hold them up and encourage them and assure them that the world has a lot that they can offer to and that the world can offer to them. So in closing, what can I say? I can only say that, guys, we need to work together and seriously work together on this, because this is not just a 1 month thing. We need to really work together, and we really need to work together so that we can be able to fulfill our mandates even in the world today. So in closing, what can I say? I will say that when you come to Neolife, apart from the things I mentioned too earlier, and you can see them on the screen, you are in business, you will be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Personally, I'm here and I'm saying I'm going to support you. Even if you don't know me and you're invited by somebody else, yes, through that somebody, we are going to support you together. So just know you're not on this journey alone. We will hold your hands and the company will be there to support you. They'll give you materials. They'll give you resources. The social media is there to support you. So you don't have to ever worry about that. Then finally, you can be your best in whatever area. And we are not saying that you neglect to be a good parent, to be a good employee. We are not saying you neglect those things. What we are saying is that you can better yourself. One of the things is you're going to maintain a healthy, your health. It's very important. You're going to have your ideal weight. It's important. If you feel your weight is a challenge, start working on it. That much needed extra income. Then you will have a family. People are very lonely out there. In social media, people look all glamorous and all over. But when they go back to their houses, they can really be lonely. And this is an opportunity that will keep you going and give you a new crop of friends. You'll be your own boss. You can work part-time or full-time. You'll get a lot of recognition. Like now we are in August, we are going to Tanzania, and there will be lots of pomp, lots of fun, lots of achievements, and lots of recognition. Then of course, you'll have personal growth and you'll be part of the Neolife family and enjoy a better and overall life. Thank you very much for being part of us. What can we say? You've heard from us. The ball is on your side. Please, let's come and work together. We love you. We believe in you. And if we can do it, some of us from backgrounds where we never ever did business, you can do it better and better than us. God bless, and let's keep in touch. Kindly talk to the person who invited you. And if you want to start, don't hesitate. Start right away. Start right away. With or without money, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. God bless.